Joe's got his dog sticking out of the sunroof.
This is literally best case scenario.
See, I got Danny on the phone right now, and this man is so happy that his relay is getting got there so early. He's about to be home early for the first time.
For the first time in like 2 months, I'm gonna be home when I'm actually supposed to.
So you tell him, Danny. You tell him.
Yo, this is
Hey man, I'm gonna have to bleep every time you say that. Yeah.
Bleep.
Alright guys, so we made it to the Sheets in Pennsylvania. We're right on heat. The light's been on saying we're gonna run out of gas, so let's fill it up. Looks like $73. Ah, fuck. So what's going on, guys? So I am just stopped at Sheets here in Pennsylvania to fuel up. We're all good. I'm using the GoPro right now to record. So I'm in Pennsylvania right now, as you guys can see. I got about another hour and a half till we get to the location of the new car. I'm not going to say what it is or anything like that. You guys will have to watch all the way till the end of the video to see what it is. But if you guys want, put in the comments below on what you think it's going to be, and maybe we'll do some sort of giveaway or something to whoever guesses it correctly. And it can't be any of you guys that I'm friends with in Rochester that I already told what kind of car it is. So I already know who those people are, so you guys can't guess. That's cheating. So I want some random person that I'm not friends with, that I don't know, to take a wild guess. And if you guys get it right, we'll do some sort of giveaway. I'll figure something out and have a giveaway for you guys, and we'll go from there. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the new car at the end of the video.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
so we got the 240. Just getting ready to leave this little town. It's a tight ass fit down here in this area. There's not a lot of room to maneuver. I'll have to get you guys a video down here. I'm gonna stop and record, get like a little outside shot of the car. All right, guys. So let's see. Here we go. All right, so here's the 240. Got the Silverado towing the car here, but this is basically the S13. I know it's a little bit dirty right now. You can see the mud on it. It's actually coming out real nice on the camera, but as you guys can tell, it's got if any of you guys know or are familiar with that, it's the Hawaiian inspection sticker that they put on the cars over there. But basically, that is the car. I bought it from a guy, like I said, that was in the military. He bought the car over there and it was real clean. So he decided to basically bring it over here when he was moving. And once he decided to move and all that stuff, he brought the car over here with him and had a bunch of plans for it. Unfortunately, I guess he ended up needing the money or whatever his reason was. He ended up selling the car. So I ended up being lucky enough or fortunate enough to find it and work out a deal with him and scooped it up. So sorry guys, I know it's not the best video right now, but I'm just kind of trying to walk around. As you guys can see, there's rain or snow over here, but all the window trim and everything, all that stuff is still original to the car. It's all still there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but let me open this and get you guys in there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it says 23,000 miles on it. And look at the inside of it. It is absolutely spotless. And which is one of the reasons why I ended up picking the car up. You guys can tell I'm in the middle of nowhere in Pennsylvania. Trying not to bust my ass, but I just wanted to stop. I literally left the guy's house. Wanted to stop and check it out and make sure that all the straps are good and stuff before driving away. You pop the trunk for you guys. Trying to get used to using this camera again, but like I said, the car is absolutely original on the inside and out. He put different speakers in it, but here is the original steering wheel. Like, look at that. It is just absolutely amazing condition. So, and then here's the carpet. Like, look at that. All this stuff is still there originally on how they came. Like, look at that. It is fucking amazing. And especially since the car was in Hawaii, and it is I think it's pretty humid over there, and then also the salt water kind of gets to stuff like that. But the underbody is absolutely amazing. When I get home and I get this thing inside my shop, I am going to I'm gonna put the car on the quick checks as soon as I get the Integra down. I'm gonna put it on quick checks and basically check it over and get everything cleaned up. There's a couple OEM things you guys may notice. The hood is up a little bit and it needs a new hood hinge. The stock one cracked, which kind of sucks, but they're cheap. I found them for like 35 bucks. So I'm at a truck stop right now, but I found them for pretty cheap, or relatively cheap from the dealer still. They do carry them, which is nice. So I'm happy about that, but I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I may speak a little bit more once I get inside, but I'm gonna take a couple pictures of it because it does look really, really good right now. Alrighty.